Hello, good evening students. Now let us see the chemical properties of haloarenes. This heading is what is student? Chemical properties of haloarenes. Chemical properties of haloarenes. So dear student, haloarenes is not having that much of chemical properties. They are having quite less number of chemical properties, student. The very first property is the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction means what, student? They are very they are not that much of the faster nucleophilic substitution reaction as like the haloalkanes do, because here if you see, here is because of the lone pair electron, it will go in the resonance and it acquire the partial double bond character, so it does not get the replace very easily at room temperature. So when you are treating with the sodium hydroxide at 300 degrees Celsius and 300 atmospheric pressure, at that time Cl is getting replaced by OH, so we are getting that is phenol. Similarly student, when you are treating this chlorobenzene with the ammonia and with the help of the catalyst in the presence of Cu2O catalyst and 200 degrees Celsius, so you will getting that is aniline. Okay, aniline. And similarly, if you are at the same temperature, 200 degrees Celsius temperature, if you are treating with the copper cyanide CuCl in the pyridine solution, you are getting that is cyanobenzene. Cyanobenzene. Now student, this is the substitution reaction where Cl group is replaced by OH group, NH2 group and Cn group. Similarly students, that is it does give, that is haloarenes also give the coupling reaction. Coupling reaction means what is student? That is two functional group get coupled together. Okay, so when the functional group join together, the compound that form is known as what? Coupling product. So student, first of all, that is you see that is Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Wurtz-Fittig reaction. This Wurtz-Fittig reaction is also a type of coupling reaction. Already I wrote here, but okay, I am taking with the example CH3Cl I took, student, and when you are treating this with the chlorobenzene, student, you are taking with the chlorobenzene, and when you are taking that is reagent, what you are taking, student, if you talk about the reagent, that is sodium metal you are taking, and in the dry ether solution, dry ether. So student, what you will get? This Cl, and this 2Na will be out, so minus 2NaCl. So what it will give, student? It will give the toluene. You can check it out, student. What is the product you are going to get? Here is CH3. So this product is known as what, student? Toluene. So this is also coupling product, student. Why? Because that is two functional group, that is, or the two prefix Cl is getting joined together, okay, and forming NaCl, and this benzene ring is clubbed together with the methyl group, so they are forming toluene. Okay, so this is the Wurtz-Fittig reaction is the one. Okay, now when you are going for the second one, student, that is the Fittig reaction. So in the Fittig reaction, what you do is, student, you two phenyl group, biphenyl form. So suppose you are taking, student, one chlorobenzene is like this. So this is the chlorobenzene, student. This is the chlorobenzene. Here is Cl plus 2Na I am taking also, and again I am taking that is Cl. So what you will find, student, there are two, this is the two chlorobenzene groups are there, student, and then what is happening, student, these two club together, okay, and this reaction is what we are writing, student. Here is, this is Fittig reaction, Fittig, Fittig reaction. So in this Fittig reaction, what is there, student? In the case of dry ether, we are taking that is what, student? Dry ether. So what will happen, student? What will happen? This will form like that compound. So minus 2NaCl is out, student. 2NaCl. So what is leaving behind, student? Two phenyl group is living in this process, and what they are forming? They are forming that is biphenyl. Okay. Similarly, what we are doing in, student, this is the Fittig reaction, and there is we are having the Ullmann reaction, student. Ullmann reaction. So what is the Ullmann reaction? You see, student, Ullmann reaction. So we are taking at the place of chlorobenzene, we are taking the iodobenzene. So Ullmann reaction, where you are writing, student, ULLMA Ullmann reaction. So Ullmann reaction, what we are doing, similar way we are treating, student, but what we are taking, that is iodobenzene. Okay, Again we are treating this iodobenzene with what student? 2-iodobenzene we are treating with the copper student. When you are treating with the copper, we are not taking any sodium or anything. Similarly, I am taking I here. So what will happen student? That is the this will be like that compound. So this is also iodobenzene. So this I2 will be coming out when you are heating with the copper at 200 degrees Celsius. 200 degrees Celsius. So what it is going to form student? It is also going to form the biphenyl. Okay, it is also going to form. This is not there. This reaction is not there in CBSE board student. This is there in the NEET and JEE. So this is again it is forming what student? This is also forming the biphenyl. So student, that is what we studied here in this video lecture. We studied the chemical properties of the haloarenes. So first of all, what we did student, we studied that is substitution reaction. We substitute with the NaOH. We take what student? That is we take that is chlorobenzene. We take chlorobenzene, and with this chlorobenzene we started treating with the NaOH. So if you are treating with the NaOH at high temperature, so it is giving phenol. Okay, this is giving. But if you are treating this compound with the NaCl, so it is giving the cyanobenzene. Okay student, Cl. But if you are treating with NH3, so it was giving what is aniline student. So means NH2 group was getting added. Secondly, what we are studying, that is coupling reaction. So first coupling reaction is wood fitting reaction. So chloromethane and chlorobenzene get reacted. So it is giving that is toluene student. So 2 NaCl get replaced. Fitting reaction, what student? 2 chlorobenzene react with the 2 mole of the sodium atom. So they are given biphenyl. Ullmann reaction, similarly 2 iodobenzene react with the copper at 200 degrees Celsius. It is also giving the biphenyl. So these were the coupling reaction and substitution reaction. That is important class of the chemical properties of haloarenes. Thank you so much for watching, friends.